What humanism in the classroom looks like from a student-teacher relationship and from a classroom management aspect is anytime you're giving feedback, it is done with affirmation and positive feedback. And you praise desired behavior and you don't praise unwanted behavior. You're also recognizing the students' basic needs. So what this looks like for me as a high school teacher is recognizing that my students are experiencing a lot socially and they could have experienced something socially during passing period. So recognizing that they do have this desire to be accepted and they may need a second to regroup from what happened during passing period. From an academic standpoint, humanism looks like providing students choice as much as possible and working towards goals with students. So at a high school level, I'm a math teacher, so this looks like setting goals on standardized tests on what we want mastery to be, and potentially like content areas that they want to work on within math or like career goals in the math classes they may need to take to reach those career goals.